All right, structures of the cortex in 3D. All right, we got your four lobes on the outside. So I've got my frontal, my parietal, temporal, occipital. All right, then we get on the inside. And what I want to do is I want to get around the entire brainstem structures. So we need to get all around that. And what do we do? There we go. Okay. Now we've got our fornix. Underneath, right here on the bottom of the inside of the cortex, is the hippocampus. Okay. Then the insula, connecting my two spheres, is my corpus callosum. All right. I put this back on, and you can see how big the corpus callosum is, connecting my two sides. And then my fornix right here as part of my limbic system, with once again underneath that being the hippocampus. Okay, now for the diencephalon, remember I got my insula and my lateral ventricles connected by my fornix. All right, then diencephalon, I've got my thalamus right here. All right, then my hypothalamus, my hypophysis right down here. 23. 24 is my optic nerve. Okay. Put them back together. Okay. And then we come around to the back. We're still in the diencephalon here. That pink right there is the pineal gland. Okay. And then I have my genticulate bodies right here, medial and lateral. Right now for my mesencephalon, my midbrain, 28 and 29 are my superior and inferior colliculus. That right there, the only cranial nerve that is on the posterior side of the brain, and that is my trochlear nerve. And then one more cranial nerve is on the mesencephalon when we come around here to the front. It's right sneaking up there at the very, very top. Let's see, there it is, that white little dot up here, and that's the ocular motor nerve. All right, now into the pons. I got 4 nerves here. We're going to go first up here, my big honking trigeminal nerve, and then medial to lateral. I got my abducent nerve, my facial and intermediate nerve, and then my vestibulocochlear nerve. And then finally in the medulla, I've got that pink right there is my olive. Got my hypoglossal nerve at the top of the white right here, my pyramid right there at 36, and then going superior to inferior, I've got my 3 nerves right here. And that is my glossopharyngeal, my vagus, and then my accessory nerves.